Hey, good morning. Still no good, that pinch nerve. I got a nice view, give me a recipe to reduce inflammation. Two, 3 spoons of turmeric. I have organic turmeric actually. Lemon juice, lime, a bit of a black pepper and cayenne pepper. I think jam made is too hot, too spicy. So I put a bit of a honey. And that's what I'm having today, right now after my breakfast. Because we need to go shopping today. My God, I'm gonna suffer. Let's see how we go. Big challenge for me today. Go shopping. As long as I sit on the car, it's no problem.
You need to pick up.
Pick up as well?
I don't know. Here, go.
Mommy dropping the laundry. Daddy cannot do that. It's nobody? I'm doing the rubbish.
Hi, Mama.
Yeah, because Daddy no good.
Mommy, my fish.
I'm dropping all her work. Hey, you always have to go in front of my camera. Eh? Yeah, it's okay. Uh-oh. No fast food today. Where are you going? You want more? Not enough? Yeah, I like it. I'm tired of fast food. No healthy anyway. It's like homemade food, street food. That's it. Nice. And Bella can have some nice healthy food. Pork, chicken, eggplant. I'm going to touch that because this is inflammatory. And fish soup, tinola. We are next to the boulevard. We came to do the grocery, but I'm sitting in the food. See the food court, I kind of walk. Still get a bit sore, so I can't do it. It's okay. So it happens. Oh, you're so good. You work so hard. Fruits time. I like those markets. Very good. Quick.
See, that's what you get. Accident.
Hope so. Oh.
Is that a big bike?
No, it's not a scooter. Oh yeah. No, not a scooter.
Go stop to buy some refreshment. Halo. It's very hot. that guy eating. That's the one you're gonna buy. Saturday to sunny misty. It's almost 3 p.m.
Okay, let's go home. Just finished live stream. They're gonna take it easy today. Have to try to get rid of this pinch nerve. I know I got a lot of work to do, but take it easy.
How are
Robert's
you?
visit. And look at Bella, she's so happy.
Nice here.
Come in, my friend.
You know me? Yes. Okay, they talk each other.
You can sit
Okay,
there, yeah.
so they're talking each other.
Come in.
You dance? Dance.
Oh,
He's
maybe
dancing
put the
too?
table
Okay.
here
He's
with a
dancing
drink.
too? And
Thank
how about
you,
the
my
kiss? Oh, another
That's
one.
it, she's gonna play with you. You bring the bottle opener, I mean, just
Whoop. Fall
we
come
down.
in,
The monkey fall down.
We don't have it.
come in. Come in with your toys. Bring the bottle here.
This one? Nothing yet.
Thank
I-
you.
Sit here.
I've got a pinched nerve, mate. I'm in a bad state. I've been like that for a few days. But I'm gonna feel better now.
You sick?
Yeah, I got a pinched nerve. I got a pen here.
Oh, it's no good to get old.
Nah. I had a long time ago, but
It's not that cold.
I was it. I was it.
Careful.
Rob was supposed to go to China to a show, and everything was cancelled. Can you believe it? Everybody's been booking hotel, air ticket, everything, and because not enough people, so they cancel everything. Nobody wants to go to China. It's not safe anymore or something. I don't know. And the thing they do.
You're not able to trust if they tell.
Look, Bella, she's so happy. Robert here. Robert said, just about to finish the well, and they went to 80 feet to find a permanent, clear water. That's good. It's good news. Actual cost 200,000, but it's going to go over for that well. But clear water. You gonna sell drinking water?
No, no, no.
Okay. Because I was about to buy.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Walk there.
Maybe I hook a pipe and I pay you
Walk there.
every month. Time for lunch. Always good stuff. Look at this. Jam started to make a udo, a Japanese soup. Oh, looks yummy. Yeah, I'm lucky. And she's still gonna do a few fries with a runny egg, which I love it. Ran out again. I'm sure you can hear the power generator on. It's been a pain to start everything up. I got cable everywhere, which is not good. So next Friday or Saturday we're going back to the city. And I'm gonna buy some cable and a plug and connect everything here. Yep. I've got 20 amps, but let's put this down. I got 25 amps, but I'm gonna buy a 30 amps fuse and put it here, and I will connect this one to this one. So when this one is on, this one will be off. When this one is on, this one will be off. So I just interconnect here. See, there's a hole and everything. I could do that. Yeah. All right. But that's the man. Let me know what you think.
Why you eat like that?
Beautiful. I couldn't wait. Well done. Let's eat. Thank you, my love. What I would do without you?
Okay, pero
Is that for me? Okay.
you like
That's it. Oh yeah. Beautiful.
The butterfly.
Good morning, guys. We're going to pick up the kids. School holidays. So we're going to take them with us here. Not with me. I won't be able to do anything. Let's go. In Katipuna Plaza. Get in. The little one is the most excited one. Ella, where's Maki? You happy?
Yang gitu, look.
Whoa. Let's buy some bread for the army. Bella is so excited. Okay, let's go buy some fish. Iti are there by herself. Well, the whole family here. Ah, they play for the Australian team. That's Australia colours. Thank you for a beautiful lunch.
Itong baboy ba mga anak? Ako yun.
Bella's happy. She got company. This is our mirror. Ooh. Yeah, nice. Lucky I wanted to fit it horizontal because you can see one's missing there, so I can only use those two at the top. Anyway, I don't know why it's like this. I think I will install tomorrow. Hopefully I will feel a bit better. See that tomorrow. Yeah, looks like it's gonna be a hot afternoon. Already been hot. It's already 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. I think. Anyway, we'll do some work on the bathroom tomorrow, I think. I think this land just behind us for sale. If you're interested, you need to email me so I can give you the agent phone number to confirm everything. They may have something else somewhere else too, around here, I'm not sure. hope I feel better tomorrow. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.